Now see, the next part over there is based on operations on matrices. Now when we talk about operations on matrices, the first one is the equality of matrices. Now it's a very easy point over there actually. When we talk about equality of matrices, there are two conditions. Condition number one, corresponding elements are equated, and the second condition is that order of matrices must be same. For example, if you have a matrix A which has got elements x, 3, 7 and 2i, and there is a matrix B which has the elements 9, 3, 7 and 26, and the question has given us the condition that matrix A is equal to matrix B, we need to find x and y. So in such a case, we say over here, we start with the given condition, which is A is equal to B. We substitute the values of the given matrices x, 3, 7 and 2y to be equal to 9, 3, 7 and 26. Now the equality of matrices, the condition says that corresponding elements have to be equated and the order of the matrices must be same. So when you want to check the order, you have to see the order for the first, which is 2 by 2, as well as for the second is also 2 by 2. So that says that order is exactly equal in both the matrices. So first condition is satisfied. In fact, one condition is satisfied. The second condition or the next condition says corresponding elements are equated. So x will be equated with 9, 3 is already equal to 3, 7 is already equal to 7, and 2y will be equated to 26, so that I can get the values of x and y. So I get therefore by equality of matrices, x comes out to be equal to 9 and 2y is equal to 26, and hence y is equal to 13. So that is the first part. After this, the next thing that we have to know is something called as scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now what is the scalar multiplication? स्केलर का मतलब होता है कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, सो व्हेन वी से स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो इसका मतलब होता है a constant number is multiplied to all the elements inside the matrix. So for example, suppose if I have a matrix A, let us say 5, 1, 9, -2, 7, -1, and if I am asked to find the value of 6a, so we just say 6a over there will be equal to 6 into 519 -2, 7 and minus 1, and then just multiply. 5 into 6, that is equal to 30, then it is 6. 9 into 6, that is going to give you 54. This will be negative 12, 42 and negative 6. That is just the basic scalar multiplication. Next thing that you are having over there is the addition and subtraction of matrices. Now in addition and subtraction, again there are two simple conditions. Condition number 1, order of matrices must be equal, and the condition number 2, corresponding elements are added or subtracted. Let us take a simple example for this. Suppose if matrix A is given to be 1 7 2 3 1 9 6 0 2, and there is another matrix B 5 0 3 2 1 6 7 5 and 1. If you are asked to find 2A plus B, so what you have to do is, first you have to multiply all the elements inside the matrix A with 2. So it will be 2 into the same matrix over here, 1 7 2 6 0 2 5 0 3 2 1 6 and 7 5 1. Multiply all the numbers, so it will be 2 14 4 6 2 18 12 0 4 plus the same matrix 7 5 and 1. Now when I have to add the two matrices, we have to add the first with first, second with second, third with third, and so on. So 2 will get added with 5, so I get 7. 14 plus 0, that will be 14. 4 plus 3 again gives you 7. 6 plus 2 gives you 8. 2 and 1 is 3. 18 and 6 is 24. 12 and 7, that gives you 19. 0 and 5 is 5, and the last element is again 5. So that is the value of 2A plus B. In case if you are asked to subtract the values, so जैसे हम लोग ने ऐड किया वैसे हम लोग उसको subtract भी कर सकते हैं, सिंपल, ठीक है।